Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I'm going to talk about micro fractional gold. All right, let's get into it. Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins, or welcome back to Cash and Coins. I really do appreciate you watching. In the background here, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some Perth Mint coins that I received. So I want to talk about micro fractional stacking. I'm talking about stacking gold in half a gram, 0.5. Are 0.5 gram gold coins or bars worth purchasing? That's what we're going to talk about. Now, if you watch my channel at all, you know that I buy lots of fractional gold. I have over 50 pieces of fractional gold. The bulk of my gold weight is in full ounces, but I have a lot of fractional. I love the fractional stuff because it's like silver. It's much less expensive. I could not buy all the variety that I have if I didn't have it in fractional. You know, that's the upside to fractional gold. But what are we here for? We're here to talk about, is it a good idea, right? So let's talk about it. If you're considering buying it as gold for stacking, think about these things. Now, collecting gold in fractional is fine because it's a piece that you're purchasing for your pleasure, you know, as a hobby. The cost is the cost of the hobby. And you know, you can't put a price on happiness. Now, I do buy for stacking, and I also buy gold as a hobby. I buy stuff that I want to collect, and this is all outside of my gold stacking. If you want to stack gold, buy the largest size you can afford and the most liquid coin, like the American Buffalo, the Canadian Maple, the American Golden Eagle, or American Gold Eagle, or the Philharmonic. Now, many government coins like Australia, Austria, the UK, the United States, Mexico, and Canada all make fractional gold coins. Now, most government coins are 24 karat gold. You know, 3 nines or 4 nines, fine. The US has the American Gold Eagle, and South Africa has the gold Krugerrand, and they are 22 carats gold. It's 0.967 purity. Now, they both have a full ounce of gold, so they weigh a little bit more. Now, most countries do seem to prefer the 24 karat gold, the 0.999 or 0.999 gold. So that is something to considering when you're stacking. Of course, liquidity, the ability to convert gold to cash, is also important. So think about these things when you're buying gold for stacking. And I have to say, don't forget about your LCS, your local coin store. They don't always follow the trends that the online dealers do. My local coin store often sells foreign gold coins just over spot, or at least half of what the online dealers are charging. Let me show you the math on what I'm talking about with the fractional gold and online. And this is only for the online. Yeah, and this is the fun part. It's the math part, right? Look at the prices for the cost of a 1/10 ounce and the buyback price. As you see, a 1/10 ounce, you do pay quite a bit over spot, about $48 per coin, or a total of $480 per ounce if you were to buy 10 of them. If you bought the full ounce instead of 1/10 ounce, you would have probably only pay about $100 over spot. Now let's look at the half a gram of gold. Over here at JM Bullion, they do tell you the buyback price. So they say that they sell it at $44 and buy it back at $29. That's about $15 over spot per coin or bar, or a total of $932 over spot for 1 ounce if buying these coins or bars. So as you see, you're almost at $1,000 over spot, as opposed to $100 if you were to buy just an ounce. Quite a big difference. Now let's look at the collectible type half gram coins. A half gram of gold sells here at APMEX for $79.99. And if you go to the buyback price, we had a JM Bullion, $29.27. And we're saying spot is at $18.2620. That's $50.63 over spot per coin or bar, or $4,975 per ounce, almost $5,000 per ounce. $5,000. I love when gold gets up there. So I'm saying the trade-off is not good at this small fraction of gold. So guys, what I'm saying is if you want to stack gold, just make sure you know what you're stacking and what you are actually paying. Of course, this video is mainly for new stackers or those thinking about stacking. If you're a collector, you know it's a different story because you're paying for the numismatic value if you are a collector. But if you're a stacker buying these small fractional amounts, less than a gram, you really are paying way too much. In the end, just remember to shop around. Look at your local coin store, look online, compare, buy the best one that fits your unique situation. So stack on, my friend, stack that gold. Let me know in the comments any tips you have on buying fractional, or if you think fractional is just super crazy. Now you can buy, like I said, in larger amounts, 1/10 ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce, up to a full ounce, and then you can go on to 2 ounces and stuff like that. But I do want to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. As I always say, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Also, as I always say, have a wonderful day.